Hi everyone, it's Tammy Pally, aka the Crafty Princess and Doll Collector, and I have a new doll that just arrived today, or new to me. And yeah, let's open her up and I will talk to you about her. Here's a little thank you note from the person I purchased her from through a Facebook group, and she signed her name in it, and I'm going to keep her anonymous so I won't open it up, but it was a nice sweet little note inside. And we have the dolly. And looks like she sent me some swag too. And this is a nice little case. Wow. Okay, so let me, I don't think there's anything else in here. I'm going to do this one-handed. Get out of the way. So yes, this is a custom doll. It's a kaleidoscope custom doll that I purchased from second hand from her previous owner. Oh goodness, she's cute. I really like her face. Okay, and she gave me some extra, oh, that's a cute little dress. Little A-line polka dots. Ooh, nice, perfect for Valentine's coming up. And another cute polka dot dress, super cute. Can't ever have too many cute dresses. And here she is. I'm going to stop here and get some cushion to put down here so I don't mess up her face. Okay, I'm back. I'm doing this one-handed, of course. Alright, so here she is. She has a regular stock style Takara body. She was a fakey doll. She was not a stock doll that was customized. Her hair looks kind of, you know, a little funky. I love the color, but, let me see if I can put this on. Oh, yeah, it's kind of a little greasy, I think. She's got it clipped in the back. So, let me try to put this camera on a tripod. Okay, I'm back. I should have just done that, but I wanted to get the doll out. I wanted to see the doll. Alright, so she's got a little hair clip. Let me take this out. Oops. Come on, get out of there. So yeah, I've been eyeballing this doll for a while. She's one of those dolls that nobody seemed to want to love. She was at a really good price. And I do like the subtle, you know, if you know me, you know I like kind of a subtle face on most of my dolls. And she kind of fit the bill, and she has beautiful eye chips too. There's her pull rings. Let's go ahead and check out her eyes. So this is front facing, kind of like a yellowy, little bits of brown in there. She's very, very light skinned. Oh, okay. Ooh, yes. Beautiful eyelids. They look really nice with her hair. It's like side-facing, bluish, kind of realistic-looking eyes. Something else I kind of tend to prefer are the realistic eyes. When they start getting too weird, I don't know, they start freaking me out a little bit. She's got a little mole right there. And you can see a little bit of eyelashes painted in there. Okay, her hair is in my way. Ooh, those are kind of more pinkish than I thought. I don't know, I kind of like it when their eyelids are down a little bit. More like that. She's been boggled, but it's not a big deal. All you have to do is when you when you switch their eyes, obviously pull on the cord that closes their eyes, and then just, you know, but not all the way. Don't pull on the cord all the way, and you can, because I like seeing a little bit of the eyelids. So, yeah, I'm thinking that this girl, I may change her scalp out. I know I keep saying I'm not a customizer, and I'm really not, but I do like to change little bits here and there. And while her hair is nice, it's okay. It's a little greasy. Yeah, it would need a spa. But I really like the mohair dolls. So I'm thinking of switching out her scalp with the and putting a mohair, probably like a wig or something. If you follow also on YouTube Little Bird Blythe, she has a video on there. I'll try to remember put the link in there where she does that. And I've been kind of talking back and forth with her. You can actually see my comments to her on there. So I know I have an understanding of how the head's all put together, but my concern is getting a scalp that will fit, because basically the hair is connected to the dome, and so you have a dome, and then you have like a rubbery scalp you can get to put the wig on that'll fit on top of the dome. But I've got to get the right color, because you'll see this little part here possibly, and she is a lot lighter than I thought, so which is fine. I just got to make sure I get a fair colored dome. And I'm going to start shopping around for a nice wig for her. I'd love to know how to do a weft wig myself, because I actually own quite a bit, not a ton, but a fair amount of fiber that I could do myself, but I have not found really good instructions for that. So if anybody knows any place that has a good video, preferably, or at least some well-written instructions on how to do a weft weave wig, please let me know. But yeah, so this is my newest custom girl. Oops, don't fall over. And she is very cute. I'm very happy. I think I got a very good price on her. She's got a subtle face up here. And yeah, so look for more of this doll in the future, and I'll let you know what I do about her noggin. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.